The letters L and P are waiting in line for the merry-go-round. L says L, P says P. L lets P go ahead in line. And now the two letters say pull. Try saying pull. Like plus. Sound it out with me. Pull, s, plus. And plant. Let's sound it out. Pull, n, t, plant. P says p. L says l. Together, they say pull. Practice saying pull.